Hello, welcome to this video lecture. I am Dr. Rekha Jaiswal. This video lecture is for the mode. This is the topic of biostatistic and what is mode? Mode is often said to be the value in a series which occurs most frequently or which has the greatest frequency, but it is not exactly true for average frequency distribution. Rather, it is that value around which the items tend to concentrate most heavily. Calculation of mode in case of ungrouped data, that means individual data. For example, when we find the mode of the following series 9, 11, 15, 16, 12, 15, 3, 7, 15, there are 10 observations in the series, where in the figure 15 occurs maximum number of times 3. The mode is therefore 15. That means which number is repeated the maximum number of times, that means occur most frequently, that will be the mode of that series. Okay. Calculation of mode in case of group data, that means discrete or continuous series. Then we first explain about the continuous series. Continuous series, there is a formula for mode L plus f1 minus f0 upon 2 f1 minus f0 minus f2 whole bracket close into I, where m is the mode, L is the lower limit of the modal class, f1 is the maximum frequency, f naught equal to frequency preceding the modal class, f2 equal to frequency of succeeding the modal class, I is the size of modal class. This is the this is example for a continuous series, like this is the given observation in a form of range and this is the frequency. So first we see which is the maximum frequency. In column of frequency we see the which is maximum frequency, and we see the 30 is the maximum frequency, so the corresponding observation will be the modal class 64 to 66. Since the maximum mode is determined by the following formula, so we obtain all the things by this table. 64 is the lower limit, and f1 is the maximum frequency, so that will be 30, and f0 the preceding the modal class will be 25, and f2 will be the frequency of succeeding the modal class, that will be 10, and difference will be 2. So we calculate after putting all the values, 64 plus 5.5 plus 20 into 2, that will be 64.54 is the required mode. We can see 64.4 is the between 64 to 66. Calculation of mode in case of discrete series. From the following data, calculate mode. First we will grouping of the above data with the help of grouping table. A grouping table must have 6 columns. First, 6, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Analysis table. The highest total in the analysis table is 5. The item corresponding to it is 14. Therefore the mode is 14. Mode can be also determined indirectly by applying the following formula. Mode equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. Also we can explain about the distribution of mode, symmetrical distribution. When a distribution is symmetrical, the mean, median and mode will be equal to each other. Asymmetrical distribution are of following type: positively skewed, negatively skewed, LSEP positively skewed, JSEP negatively skewed. Positively skewed means mean greater than median greater than mode. Negatively skewed mean mean less than median less than mode. LSEP positively skewed mean mean mode median. JSEP negatively skewed mean mean mode median. Merits of mean, in many cases it can be found by inspection. It is not affected by extreme values. It can be calculated for distribution with open-end classes. It can be located graphically. It can be used for qualitative data. Demerit of mode, it is not based on all values. It is not capable of further mathematical treatment.